In this video, we're going to learn how to create an RFI in eSub. Now I'm starting from the RFI log, but you can get here from the home page by first selecting the project you would like to work in, then at the top of the page, clicking on Construction Docs, and then Request for Information. I could use this tab to the left to create a new RFI. Now here I have the option to copy from. I can copy from a previously made RFI in this project, and that's useful if I want to reference an older RFI, or make one that is very similar. Next, I will choose the type. If this is an RFI initiated by me, I will just choose RFI. If this is an RFI that was initiated by the general contractor, I would choose GC generated RFI. You have the option to give this RFI a custom number, but if you don't, eSub will auto number it for you. We'll come down here and give this RFI a subject. And we're going to select who we're going to send this RFI to and who it's being returned to. It's important to note that these lists are going to pull from your project contacts. So if you don't see somebody here, you can go ahead, click on Project, and then Contacts, and make sure that they are added to this project. Remember that any of the red fields in eSub are going to be mandatory, and the black fields are going to be optional. So we can fill out any of this information that we'd like down here if we want to reference any drawings, details, specs, and so on. Then when we want to clarify the question, we'll do it here in clarification requested. And although not mandatory, we have the option to recommend our solution. And after completing this page, we'll go ahead and click on the Save button at the bottom, which will redirect us back to the RFI log. And we're going to see right here this RFI that we just created. And you will have your usual action icons to the left. And we could use the pencil icon to go back in and edit this RFI, the paperclip icon to attach anything to it, such as files, PDFs, any documents, drawings, etc. Using this mail icon, we will mail this out. The magnifying glass icon, we can view it on the web. The PDF icon will allow us to download this as a PDF. Using our calendar icon, we can set a notification or reminder for this RFI. And lastly, the stamp icon, where we can either approve or void this RFI.